Still, by the evening of the second day of Operation Torch, the main objective for General George S. Patton's Northern Landing Group.
Nice.
Climb up on this one, right? The Israeli one?
Yeah. Is this Israeli one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's why I thought you would be
Montana.
Yeah.
Hmm.
This one actually
Nope. Hooked onto it. Just hooked onto him. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. You can imagine during real time how they used to. What is it? Aim.
Well, let me see. Oh yeah, this one's a lot heavier than the other one.
Definitely a World War II tank. Old school style they use a lot in the desert. I don't know if it's a Sahara desert somewhere around there. Fighting the Italians and the Germans. It was fighting the Italians and the Germans in the desert. There goes a little barrel. Oh, that's noisy. Cool. Good shotters. Do you guys know the name of that kind of tank? Maybe no. Oh, this is neat. Look inside how they used to operate these things back then. Very small too. Probably more of a possible, I should say, what, Vietnam War maybe? Or was it still used in Iraq War? I don't know. Going up there. And you have another tanker here. Personal carrier armor. And the chains are, oh my god, that's just so heavy. Off limits, but I'm going to see inside. A little spacey, not much. Personnel carrier. Ooh, what's in this one? Oh, okay. Little Bowser to see. Oh my goodness. This firing equipment. Oh, this looks like the rockets. Probably should shoot rockets through here. Like an anti. What was it wrong? Was I? What was it wrong about the rockets? Got some rockets here. Rockets?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure my Nina would have loved taking Lieutenant Matthew here.
Oh, it is fun. It's a good thing, you know, good stuff to learn. But I recognize it because of the Iraq War. You know that? That era and Gulf War. So this is definitely after do World War II or 90s. 90s or World War II.
It says 1944.
Yeah. 44. Oh, I forgot the name of this tanks. Self-propelled artillery. That makes sense. It's an artillery. Look at it right now. Is this one here? Decayed. Foreman. In the back. Getting behind the tanks?
Yeah,
Well, we could, huh?
yeah.
Alright.
Because there's, yeah, you just can't climb up through the hatch.
Okay. Oh, dude. Oh, the telescope to see outside.
Okay.
This is cool. Oh my god.
Watch your stuff getting out.
They should jump out of this thing. Yeah, run. This is artillery. This is the self-propelled artillery. I'm kidding. Yeah. Oh. Damn, look at the shells.
Damn.
Yeah, they're really squished up, and so it looks like a tank, right? But it's an artillery tank. That's why this thing where it operates is more on the back of the tank. I never knew until I started learning about this stuff.
Yeah.
And why they look different from my Abrams tank, and that's why, because they did pick the cannon up and they fire artillery.
I mean, granted, in the 40s, everyone was a lot skinnier because of how the food was grown.
But this is the thing, though. These tanks were used during the Gulf War as well. So we're talking about our generation, which are more huskier, thicker. So that's what I'm saying. Like, how the heck did they fit in here? And then there's another seat here.
That's what.
There's like 2 people in here.
Yeah, that's why I'm surprised.
Yeah, they're all clogged up in here. Yeah, the only thing I can say sucks losing your life in one of these.
I know.
Because all that heat, all those rounds, they go off in you. You're screwed. Oh my goodness. I forgot the name of this one. See?
That one should be on top.
Alright. Sadly, I can't go into that one. British. You know, small British can. Oh my God. This is literally a 1 or 2 man here. See stuff? See, look inside.
That's just the engine, right? That's not attached.
Yeah. It's probably like 1 or 2 people in there too. Get in there. Who's the next one? This is like my old ass truck. Old Bronco. We kept that truck for years.
You can get an inside view of this one if you want.
Oh, we can? Alright, let me see.
You get like a picture inside, but not to go in.
Oh no, hang on. Oh. Yeah. carrier. Here's a chopper, still helicopter. Oh, very from this time too. Hello, gentlemen. Oh, that's dope. Look at that computer. Communications inside there. This is really cool. I thought only this existed in movies, but I guess not. The shooting range right there. Communication top. And this big baby. There's a shot of that one right there. It's really windy today, but it's a good day to come and check this out. The sun's not hitting hard. More on this side here. Oh, this is definitely old school. If I'm not wrong, this is definitely old school. What's with this one here? This is probably more an amphibian type tank. Not tank, but type of vehicle used back in the day. It's funny. We put the rocks on this side right here for you. Look at drone. Probably the first drones, maybe. And the visual artillery.